Hey, Candace, I'm going to see if I can lure in one of these seagulls with my goldfish and get it on video.
Sean, that bird doesn't know a thing you're saying, okay? Look at him, he's flying so far.
You know, just go for it. It's right there. There, look. Help? Try that one. Hey, nice catch. Let's try again. That's enough for now. Sounded like he was trying to talk to us. Anyhow, I'm not sure what he was saying. I don't know if he was saying ow or help. I'm not sure, but check it out. There he is again. Remember those seagulls that would grab them right out of our hands? I don't think this guy's gonna come in and grab it out of my hand. I think he lacks the confidence and bravery it takes to grab it right out of my hand. And I lack the patience to wait for it. That's enough for now. Take care, bye.